हेलो एवरीवन ए वीडियो रे आज हम डिस्कशन करिबा वन ऑन नेट लर्निंग प्रोसेस एंड पेडागोजी रो एमसीक्यू डिस्कशन करिबा या टॉपिक रहइबो एड्रेसिंग क्लासरूम डाइवर्सिटी 100 टी एमसीक्यू रहइबो वीडियो टू कंप्लीटली देखिबे यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि सेटु जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्लासरूम डाइवर्सिटी। The correct answer is option number A, difference in students' ability and background. Question number 2, which strategy best support deserve learner? The correct answer is differentiated instruction. Question number 3, multicultural education aim to. The correct answer is respect cultural difference. Question number 4, which of the following is a form of inclusive practice? The correct answer is encouraging all students to participation. Question number 5, universal design for learning UDL focus on. The correct answer is multiple way to access and demonstrate learning. Question number 6, peer tutoring can help classroom diversity by. The correct answer is providing peer support for different ability. Question number 7, cultural responsive teaching involves. The correct answer is connecting learning to students' cultural background. Question number 8, flexible grouping help in classroom diversity by. The right answer is mixing students with different skill and learning style. Question number 9, assessment for diverse learners should be. The right answer is varied and flexible. The question number 10, which is an example of differentiated instruction? The correct answer is providing reading material at a different level. Question number 11, language diversity in classroom can be addressed by. The correct answer is using multilingual resource. Question number 12, gender sensitivity in teaching promotes. The correct answer is equal participation of all genders. Question number 13, social emotional diversity can be supported by. The correct answer is encouraging collaboration and empathy. Question number 40, visual learners benefit from. The correct answer is option number A, diagram, chart and video. Question number 15, culturally diverse classroom activity showed. The right answer is include examples from multiple cultures. Question number 16, adopting curriculum for diverse learner involve. The correct answer is modifying content, process of product. Question number 17. Technology can help classroom diversity by. The correct answer is providing adaptive learning tools. Question number 18. Individual education program by IEP is designed for. The correct answer is for students with special need. Question number 19. Cooperative learning support diversity by. The correct answer is for encouraging teamwork among diverse learners. Question number 20. Reflective teaching help address classroom diversity by. The correct answer is for continuously improving teaching practice. Question number 21. What does TLM stand for in teaching? The correct answer is for teaching learning material. Question number 22. Which of the following is an example of a visual TLM? The right answer is for chart and diagram. Question number 23. Audio visual aid help in. The right answer is for enhancing understanding through sight and sound. Question number 24. Which is an advantage of using TLM? The correct answer is for makes learning more concrete and engaging. Question number 25. Real objects used in teaching are called. The correct answer is for concrete TLM. Question number 26. Audio aids include. The correct answer is for radio, cast and broadcast. Question number 27. How do AVRs improve memory? The right answer is for by engaging multiple senses. Question number 28. Which TLM is suitable for teaching science concept? The correct answer is for models and specimen. Question number 29. Chart and graph are example of. The correct answer is visual TLM. Question number 30. Digital tools in classroom include. The correct answer is for projector, smart board, tablet. Question number 31. Which is a kinesthetic TLM? The correct answer is for models and hands-on activity. Question number 32. Role play as a TLM help students. The right answer is for understand concept through experience. Question number 33. Flip chart are mainly used for. The right answer is for visual presentation of idea. Question number 34. Which AV ad is effective for large classroom? The correct answer is for projector and screen. Question number 35. Poster in classroom primarily enhance. The correct answer is for visual learning and retention. Question of 36. ABED support students with learning difficulty by. The correct answer is providing multi-sensory learning experience. Question of 37. Which is a low-cost TLM option? The correct answer is flashcard made by teacher. Question of 38. Storytelling as a TLM mainly improve. The correct answer is listening and comprehension skill. Question of 39. ABED should be selected based on. The correct answer is learning objectivity and students' need. Question number 40. Effective use of TLM require. The correct answer is planning, preparation, and integration with lessons. Question number 41. Using the learner context in teaching help to. The correct answer is make learning relevant and meaningful. Question number 42. Contextual teaching include. The correct answer is relating lesson to students' experience. Question number 43. Which factor is part of learner context? The correct answer is cultural background. Question number 44. Adapting lesson to the learner's context ensure. The correct answer is better engagement and understanding. Question number 45. Example of learner context include. The correct answer is home environment and interest. Question number 46. Contextual example make learning. The correct answer is realistic and relatable. Question number 47. Learner context helps in. The right answer is designing activity that match students' life. Question number 48. Which approach use learner context effectively? The correct answer is experiential learning. Question number 49. Using local example in teaching. The correct answer is makes concept clear and relevant. Question number 50. Cultural background effect. The correct answer is how students interpret lesson. Question number 51. Using learner prior knowledge. The right answer is help link new information with existing knowledge. Question number 52. Contextual teaching encourage. The correct answer is active participation. Question number 53. Which of the following is an example of contextualized learning? The correct answer is teaching farming technique in a rural school. Question number 54. Understanding student language background help in. The correct answer is using familiar language for instruction. Question number 55. Social economic context influence. The correct answer is students' access to learning resource. Question number 56. Learner-centered teaching focus on. The correct answer is students' need, interest, and context. Question number 57. Considering learner context improve. The correct answer is motivation and participation. Question number 58. Field trip as a contextual strategy help. The right answer is connect connect classroom learning with real world experience. Question number 59. Project work based on student context. The correct answer is encourages practical application. Question number 60. Which strategy best used for uses the context of the learner? The correct answer is for relating lesson to student live and experience. Question number 61. Group learning mainly help students to. The correct answer is develop collaboration and communication skill. Question number 62. Small group learning is effective because. The correct answer is it always active participation from all students. Question number 63. Self-learning encourages. The correct answer is independent thinking and problem solving. Question number 64. Example of group activity includes. The correct answer is group discussion and debate. Question number 65. Small group learning promote. The correct answer is peer learning and cooperation. Question number 66. Self-learning activity include. The correct answer is option number A. Research, project and reading. Question number 67. Role play in group learning help. The correct answer is apply concept practical. Question number 68. Brainstorming in small group. The correct answer is generate creation idea collectively. Question number 69. Advantage of self-learning include. So the correct answer is option number A. Develop self-discipline and responsibility. Question number 70. Cooperative learning involve. The correct answer is students working together to achieve goals. Question number 71. Jigsaw method in small group in use to. The correct answer is divide task to each other. Each member contribute to the whole. Question number 72. Variety of activity in group learning help. The correct answer is engage students with different learning style. Question number 73. Case study in small group. The correct answer is encourage analytical thinking. Question number 74. Peer tutoring is effective because. The correct answer is students explain concept to each other. Question number 75. Self-assessment in self-learning help. The correct answer is reflect on learning and identify gap. Question number 76. Combining group and self-learning. The correct answer is enhance collaboration and independent thinking. Question number 77. Reflection after group activity. The correct answer is helps consolidate learning. Question number 78. Using game in small groups. The correct answer is encourages activity, engagement, and fun learning. Question number 79. Rotating rules in group learning. The correct answer is develop multiple skill among students. Question number 80. Variety in activity ensure. The correct answer is engagement, motivation, and comprehensive learning. Question number 81. Which of the following is a key characteristic of an inclusive learner? The correct answer is need individual support. Question number 82. Differentiated instruction help in. The correct answer is meeting diverse learning need. Question number 83. Universal design for learning UDL aim to. The correct answer is provide multiple means of representation. Question number 84. Which factor most affect a learner with hearing implement in a inclusive classroom? The correct answer is background noise. Question number 85. Cognitive development of learner can be supported through. The correct answer is active engagement in learning activity. Question number 86. Peer tutoring in an inclusive classroom primarily promote. The correct answer is social skill and academic learning. Question number 87. Assistive technology in inclusive education is used to. The correct answer is support learners, access and participation. Question number 88. What is an effective method to assess learner with diverse ability? The correct answer is multiple assessment method. Question number 89. Motivation in inclusive learner is enhanced by. The correct answer is praise and encouragement. Question number 90. Which learning environment best support inclusion? The correct answer is option number B, collaborative and supportive. Question number 91. Learner with learning disability often require. The correct answer is remedial support. Question number 92. Social integration in inclusive classroom help learners to. The correct answer is develop communication and teamwork. Question number 93. Which approach is learner center in inclusive education? The correct answer is experiential and participational learning. Question number 94. Inclusive education recognize learners. The correct answer is individual difference. Question number 95. Collaborative learning primarily enhance. The correct answer is social and cognitive skill. Question number 96. Which assessment method suit learner with physical disability? The correct answer is oral and practical assessment. Question number 97. Learning through play is effective because. The correct answer is encourage creativity and problem solving. Question number 98. Cultural responsibilities in teaching ensure. The correct answer is respecting and interrogating cultural diversity. Question number 99. Continuous feedback in inclusive classroom. The correct answer is support learning improvement. Question number 100. Which is the primary goal of inclusive education? The correct answer is equity and access for all learners. To complete 100 MCQ in pedagogy. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে ভিডিওকে লাইক করিব, চ্যানেল কোন নথিলে চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করিব এবং এর পিডিএফ ডাউনলোড করিবা ପାଇଁ টেলিগ্রাম গ্रुप ର ଲିଙ୍କ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ବକ୍ସରେ ଅଛି, ସେଠୁ ଯାଇ ଜଏନ୍ ହୋଇ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ୍ କରିପାରିବ।